Contractors, are you getting as many free leads from your Facebook business page as you would like? If not, I've got two simple hacks that will take you 2 minutes to implement to help you get that fixed. And if you stick around, I've got a bonus for you at the end. All right. So let's jump in. And first question right off the bat is, when was the last time you took a look at your cover photo or the bio section of your Facebook page? I'm going to show you some examples of why this makes a big difference, where a lot of guys get it wrong, and show you some examples of how my clients who are doing this right use these two simple things to get lots more leads for free. By the way, I covered this and a lot of other topics inside of my free Facebook group for contractors, where we talk about how to get you more leads, close more deals, and improve your profitability without spending an extra dime on ads. I'll show you some more details later on about how to join that group if that sounds interesting to you. But let's jump right in and show you how this works. And actually, before I even get to showing you these things on the screen, let's talk about, again, why make these two changes. Here's this little thing that most people don't know about. When it comes to these two features, your cover photo and your intro section or the bio section of your page, when you make a change or an update, we want to do this because Facebook will actually push those updates out to a lot bigger section of your audience for free than your regular posts. Most people know that when you make a post on your business page, they only send it to a couple, maybe 2 to 3% of your followers, unless you're spending money on ads. But when you make a change to the cover photo or the intro section, it ends up going to about 10x more than that, because Facebook's signaling to your audience, hey, something significant has changed with this page, so come check this out. So you get a couple of cracks at this every so often. Don't do this every day, but you get a couple of cracks at this every so often, just get a lot more coverage. And we'll show you how to make these two things work a lot harder for you to get you more, again, leads for free from every single person that checks out your profile, rather than just have them see it and bounce. So I did a little bit of research and pulled up just some example accounts and show you what I'm talking about. So here's Jim's construction. Here's the cover photo. Pretty common example. It's just blank. The profile, at least he's got a picture of his truck, but in the intro section, he's got a handful of words here talking about what he does. Let's look at Larry's Heating and Air Conditioning. Okay, this is a little more common. I see this example a lot, where they show a picture of their truck at a job site, something they're working on. Again, they've got a few other details here in the intro section, but it's pretty short. One of the things that's interesting about this intro section, or this little description here, is that a lot of times I see these things that are cut off halfway, because Facebook will change how many characters they allow in this section from time to time without telling anybody. And so a lot of times I see this where someone's written something really long, but then they made the update and now it's cut off. So check your intro section in case that's happened to you. And if not, then great, but you're certainly a lot more. Sometimes there's a lot more you can fit there, and I'll show you what I mean. So here's another example. We picked, I just did a review with this guy, Drip-Free Exteriors, another common example. They just show their logo. And again, just a handful of words that describe what they do. We're missing some things here, and I'll show you some other quick examples of what's pretty common here. Again, we're showing a fleet of their trucks, a couple quick things, again, description of their service, but we're still missing more of the features that are available. And then here's another one. This is Bill. Again, he's got neither of these, nothing inside his cover photo, nothing in his profile, nothing in his description, but he did just do a bunch of posts a couple of days ago. So maybe he's going to kind of get this fixed. We'll see how it goes. Here's the example. One other one. All right. This is another thing, a common mistake. A lot of guys will just try and use their a personal profile as their business. And if you're using a personal profile instead of a business page, you're missing out on so many other features that you can use for free to get more leads from Facebook. So don't make this mistake. I know this is a personal profile because I'm friends with it, as opposed to a business page that I can either like or follow. So here's some examples of how to do this right. And I'll show you mine first, and then show you some of my clients' examples next. So you can see the biggest difference with your cover photo. Put some text on there that invites someone to take action, because not only do you want to use this section of your cover photo to invite people to learn more about you, but take an action, like click here to take a next step, is that when they do, the caption of that photo shows up over here, and you can use this like a mini website, mini sales page, mini sales letter to invite people to learn more about what you do, or what you'd like them to do next. So you can see in my example, I'll give a little bit of my background to speak to some of the examples of the problems I solve, the services I provide. And then I've got some links down here where people can get some free tools and resources. So much more useful to have a free mini landing page because we know that when people look at your profile, one of the first things they check out is your cover photo. So have your cover photo do something or invite someone to take action rather than just having them see it and scroll on past. The next, the intro section. Again, for me, I've got a quick description, but I also have a link to my free Facebook group. So again, if you want to check out my bio on my Facebook page, this is where you can link to join that group where I go and cover trainings like this once a week. Again, I've got another bonus for you at the end just for checking this out. So hang on, I'll show you how to get that in just a second. So here, let's look at examples for some of my clients. Here's some of the ones that are doing this right. So again, call, get your estimate. This is one of my HVAC clients. And again, click here to learn more. So if you click here, they want to help promote their VIP protection service, their repeat business, their maintenance plans. And so they've got the description, open the description up. Here's call us today. And then here's how you join to learn more about our VIP service and protection plans and get some deals. So just so much more. Plus some other big differences. The intro section, look how much more we've been able to fill the characters that are available here, right? We've got so many more that talk about who they are, why they're different, what our mission is, what we're about. Shows the services, but also one of the other recent updates, if you don't know this, is that there's something called pinned details you can edit in this section. So showing, again, the reviews they've got, or again, the phone number, and make this clickable. Because again, these other pages that I showed you, other examples of the ones I looked at, aren't using that at all. Let's see, even these guys, no phone number there, no phone number, no other details, just the service. So that's another feature you can add. You can highlight reviews received and phone numbers. There's a lot. Sometimes you need to add even other features. This depends on what Facebook's allowing you. So check that out and see if you can make this more usable, more useful. Here's another general contractor client I've got. Same thing. We've got to click to learn more. You click there and you get more information over here to learn more about them and how they can help. Plus, again, a lot more robust description of what they do. And again, the phone number. So all of these things are these are just the two quick things. So change your cover photo, change your intro section, and look at the pin details to get that more effective in getting you more leads from the people that are seeing your profile. And then all of this is inside my Contractor Facebook page fix. If you'd like a copy of that, just drop FB in the comments or in a DM, and I will send that over to you. There's so many other ways you can get more leads from your Facebook page for free without spending money on ads. Again, if that's useful for you, drop FB in the comments or shoot it to me in a DM. I'll send you that full list as a gift to you, but hope that helps and let me know what you get done.